Smart homes are the future, and this is what the future looks like. 81% of potential or existing smart home users prefer a single integrated platform rather than multiple independent control points. But installing an integrated smart home system involves a significant initial investment, which is turning homeowners away despite its many advantages. The Izone Smart Air Conditioning System transforms any ducted air conditioner into a smart home at a fraction of the cost. It starts with degree-perfect climate control and compatibility with all the major reverse-cycle AC brands. You can connect up to 12 smart devices and 14 sensors that monitor temperature and air quality in real time, automatically adjusting the airflow when a room hits the ideal temperature. Izone's air quality sensors display real-time monitoring of air quality, both inside and outside your home, while the iSave night cooling system draws in the cool, natural night air, saving you thousands of dollars. The Izone Air Conditioning System is a scalable, plug-and-play solution that's automation-ready, so it can upgrade to a complete smart home module on the go. Be it lighting, entertainment, irrigation, security, garage doors, roller blinds, or power monitoring, Izone switches, controllers, and sensors are designed to work seamlessly with the Izone Smart Home System. What you experience is complete home automation in the palm of your hands. We call it the Izone Smart Home. You can also operate the Izone Smart Home from any smart device or voice control it using Google Home, Amazon Alexa, Samsung SmartThings, and Apple HomeKit. At Izone, innovation is a continuous process, and our Smart Alecs are developing new smart home products every day. Take the Izone Smart Plug. All you need to do is plug it into any dumb 240-volt appliance, and it turns smart instantly. Izone brings you the unparalleled comfort of a next-generation smart home while providing energy efficiency to reduce costs.